Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas has amended how it conducts bank examinations due to tighter stress testing and risk-based supervision. The amended rules also improve the bank's adequacy of policies, procedures, and limits effectiveness of risk measurement, monitoring and management information system, and internal control. Bank examinations will also include the evaluation of financial performance, capital adequacy, asset quality, and liquidity. The Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation has also a joint examination role with the BSP. Under the new agreement on bank examination, the PDIC will be authorized to scrutinize banks with capitalization concerns as measured by its capital adequacy or asset quality, management, earnings, liquidity, and sensitivity to market risk. The amendment and agreement is set to take effect in January.